In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly generate AI pictures in Perplexity. Creating stunning AI-generated images can seem like a daunting task, but with Perplexity, the process is both quick and straightforward. So let's dive in and walk through each step to get you started on your creative journey. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type Perplexity into the search bar and hit enter. You'll be presented with a list of search results. Look for the official Perplexity website and give it a click. This will take you directly to their homepage, where you can begin creating your AI images. Now that you're on the Perplexity website, you'll want to craft your prompt. This is the command you'll give to the AI to generate the picture you have in mind. Let's create something intriguing and vivid. For example, let's imagine an image of Post Malone and Cleopatra at a royal Egyptian party illuminated by neon lights. The prompt you enter should capture this scene precisely, allowing the AI to understand and visualize the scenario you envision. With your prompt ready, it's time to select the right model. Look for a button on the website that says Models and click on it. The choice of model can significantly impact the details and style of your final image. For this example, we're going to use the Gemini Pro 2.5 model. Clicking on it will select this specific engine, which provides a balance of creativity and realism perfect for our themed picture. Now that you have your prompt crafted and the model selected, it's time for the exciting part: submission. You should see a Submit button on the page. Click this button to set the wheels in motion. The AI will process your prompt and the selected model, and in a few moments, you'll have your AI-generated image ready for viewing. And there you have it. You've successfully created an AI picture using Perplexity. This tool is fantastic for bringing your creative ideas to life with just a few simple steps. Each time you use it, you might want to experiment with different prompts or models to see how they influence the results. It's a great way to explore various artistic possibilities without the need for intricate software or advanced graphic skills. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the steps of generating AI images with ease and precision. Feel free to share your creations or any other tips you might have for using Perplexity in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!